Hey y'all, and welcome to another Vlogtober video today. Today I am going to be making something and making my mom give me a rating on the food. So she's never made this before. I made this before the other day. It's just a simple, quick, and easy meal prep that I found on Pinterest. These are Greek meatballs, and I wanted to give these a try because I made them the other day doing meal prep. So I prepped mine with broccoli and potatoes and onions. Today I'm not doing all of that. I'm just making the meatballs, and I'm going to let her rate them because of the simple fact, your girl can cook. It's just, I got to open up my own restaurant one day. I really do. So I'm over in the kitchen, and I have the ground turkey thawing out. That's been thawing out for about an hour or two now. Alright, so I got my little concoction right here, which literally just has half a tablespoon of dill, dried dill, 1 egg. I also have salt and pepper down at the bottom, and then there's also dried oregano and minced garlic. There's also breadcrumbs in here, so these are the only things that we'll need. The last ingredient that I'm adding into this cup, and then I'm just gonna mix it up and put a lid on because my ground turkey is not fully thawed out. I'm adding in the 1/4 red onion. What it means by 1/4 is like you can do like a 1/4 cup of chopped up red onion, which is going to be really good. When I say that, once you do what you need to do as far as frying them, it's gonna be great. So the only last thing that you really need to do after adding in those ingredients is just mixing it up and then rolling them into balls. Then I'm going to put them on the stove in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and just kind of like keep turning them for about 7 to 8 minutes. The good thing about these is they don't burn. They're also amazing. They go really good with the tiki sauce. If you guys feel like making that, I don't like it. But it's also good served over like rice. It's also good with broccoli and other vegetables of your choice. So let's go ahead and make it. I'm making meatballs, and you got to try them and rate me 10 out of 10.
Okay.
Rate me out of 10. Alright y'all, so here I am. I got a bowl. Here's the mixture that I just mixed up. I just needed to add a little bit more breadcrumbs. Go ahead and get everything into here. This is what it is. I want to be able to use all of it, so I'm going to scrape it out in just a second. Alright, we got the ground turkey. Ground turkey seems like it's still thawing out. Yeah, it's definitely still kind of thawing out, but it's going to thaw out the rest of the way in here. So this is what it's coming to look like. I've already mixed up some of it. Like I said, it's thawed out. It's just not breaking apart the way you want it to on the outside. So you just want to break it up. That way it'll be easier to mix everything. Alright, y'all, I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Don't you think that I've tried and I've tried and I've tried and I've tried? Final product is done. As you guys can see, nice and steamy. None of them are burnt. They all smell great. So I'm gonna get her to try one. I'm gonna put one on a plate and we'll see what she rates this out of 10.
Is it hot?
Yeah. I mean, it's cool and all.
I didn't give it a few minutes. Oh, you gonna record me in my head?
You look good, girl.
Thought maybe that's all I had. Shit.
Chances are there will be other counties included in that basic watch means that a thunderstorm that does develop may cause a possibility of
Any day now. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. So what you rate it, Monica?
I rated a good 10.
See, you could have made them yourself. So yeah, for those of y'all who don't know, me and my mom live about an hour and 30 minutes apart, and we don't really get to share out recipes anymore. If I find a recipe, I send it to her. If she finds one, she sends it to me, and we'll make them and we'll try them, but leave it up to her. She's always like, I'd rather have your cooking. So there you have it. My mom has rated my food for the first time in however long. But anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next Vlogtober video.